In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create splash animation in Canva. We'll build a quick, eye-catching splash effect that's perfect for intros, product reveals, or social posts. Start by opening Canva and choosing a video template. A clean, simple background works best so the splash stands out. Once your canvas is open, add a drop graphic or image. You can find one by searching for Drop in Elements, or use your own upload. Place it where you want the drop to end up in the final frame. This will be important for the movement we'll create in a moment. Next, shorten the page duration, so this first beat is snappy. Use the timing control at the top or the timeline at the bottom to reduce it. Think of it as the quick setup before the action. Now duplicate the page. This creates page 2 with everything in the same position, which helps Canva recognize objects for motion. Go back to the first page and drag the drop up to the top of the canvas, just off or near the edge. That gives us a starting position, so the drop can travel down into place. Move to page 2 and increase its duration so there's enough time for the splash and content to play out. On page 2, add a splash element from Elements, search for Splash or Water Splash. Resize it so it frames the impact area. If your video is vertical, make it a bit wider. If it's horizontal, fill the middle third. In the timeline, adjust the splash element's duration so it appears right when the drop lands and holds just long enough to be seen. Now add your main image or subject. This could be a logo, product, or headline. And trim its timing to align with or slightly under the splash's timing so they feel coordinated. With the main image selected, click Animate. Choose Pop and set it to Enter. Adjust the speed so it feels lively without being jarring. Select the splash element and give it the old TV animation. This adds a subtle flicker that makes the splash feel energetic without distracting from the main image. Between page 1 and page 2, add a transition. Choose Match and Move so Canva tracks the drop as it travels from the top to its final position. Set the transition duration to the maximum for a smooth, fluid move. Finally, click Preview and watch it through. If anything feels too fast or slow, tweak durations on the timeline until the motion and reveal feel natural. And that's your splash animation in Canva.